In this video, I'll show you how to install any car mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and find the car you like. For this tutorial, I choose this car, Lamborghini. And once you download the required mod files, right click on the CLEO 4 and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. No stuff here, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Before doing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, drag and drop all these files except the underscore SDK and readme. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open the mod loader folder, drag and drop this mod loader inside of a game folder, and then drag and drop this ASI inside the scripts. Once you've done this, go back and open cheat menu, copy to game folder, drag and drop this CLEO inside of a game folder, and then go back. Open the core mod you downloaded. To install the core mod, you need to open the mod loader in game folder. I click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name it as cause and press enter. Open the cause folder. In the core mod, you need to go back and drag and drop in desktop. Right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Drag and drop the extracted core mod in this cause folder. Once you've done this, you can go back to game folder. The final mod we need to do .exe, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this exe inside of a game folder. Right click on the exe we just dropped now, 14,000 KB. Select show more, send it to desktop, create shortcut. Now you can launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Now I'll show you guys how to find the car name. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open the mod loader. Open the cars folder that we add. Open the car mod. And in my case, the car name is Turismo. And you need to find in the cheat menu, guys. Once you are in game, press Ctrl plus C to open up these cheats. Use the up arrow and down arrow to choose options. To select option, press the space bar. To get back in this menu, press enter key. Now go to spawn vehicles, select sport cars. You can find the car name in set 1 or set 2. I'm going to set 2. In my case, it is in here. As you can see, the name of the car is in here, Turismo. Just press the spacebar and the car will spawn. And this is the car I added for this video. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.